In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Webflow. By the end, you'll know a clean, reliable way to create an underline using Webflow's built-in styling tools, perfect for links, headings, or any text you want to emphasize. Start by opening Webflow in your browser and heading to your project dashboard. Open the project you want to work on in the designer. Once you're in the canvas, click to select the exact text element you want to underline. This could be a link, a heading, or a text block. If it's inside a larger wrapper, make sure the selected layer in the navigator or the breadcrumb bar is the text element itself. With the element selected, look to the right side style panel and scroll to the borders section. Expand it so you can see the border controls. To make an underline, enable only the bottom border. You'll see small side toggles. Click the bottom one so it's active, while the others stay off. This tells Webflow to draw a line only underneath the text. Next, set the style of the line. Choose solid for a classic underline, though you can try dashed or dotted if your design calls for it. Click the color swatch to open the color picker and choose the color that matches your brand or the surrounding typography. If you have a specific value, paste the hex or RGBA, then press Enter to apply it. Now set the thickness. Click into the border width field and type the exact value you want. Something like 2 or 3 pixels is a good starting point. Press Enter to confirm. If you'd like a subtler look, drop it to 1 pixel. For emphasis, go a bit thicker. Take a quick look at spacing. If the underline feels too tight against the text, add a touch of bottom padding to the text element to create breathing room. This keeps the line crisp without crowding your letters. Also consider layout. If your element stretches the full width of its container, the underline will span that width. If you prefer the line to match just the text, ensure the element behaves inline or inline block so the border hugs the text length. To reuse this styling, give the element a class with a clear name, then apply that class to any other text you want underlined. From here, you can always return to the border section to fine-tune color, style, or thickness until it looks just right. That's it. A precise, design-friendly underline in Webflow using the borders controls. Try it on a few elements and refine the value